Welcome to MixStage, the world's first cloud-based mix stage that allows you to hold remote mix reviews and sessions straight from your DAW together in real time. At MixStage, we strive to provide a suite of simple, powerful, and highly secure tools that provide the immediacy of in-person collaboration with the convenience of a video chat session. With seamless, full-quality AV streaming straight from your DAW, easy-to-use communication tools, and an intuitive marker system, MixStage puts you in the room together, no matter where you are, and keeps you and your team 100% synchronized down to the frame. To start a session, simply click on your session to enter. Take a moment to check your audio and video settings, and then select Start Session. Now you're in the MixStage session and ready to work. MixStage offers rooms with 20 seats to accommodate teams of all sizes. Click in the Project tab on the left side of the session screen. Opens the Moderator panel, where you can load the project you want to work on. Here you can see all the projects that you are the moderator of. Once you have your project loaded and ready to go, inviting your team is as simple as clicking the team member icon in the upper right corner. From here, you can either invite team members via email or copy the room link to send to your collaborators. Using the copy invite link method will add any non-city users to the lobby once they enter, and you can choose to let them in on the fly. You can also paste all addresses from a calendar appointment or email thread straight into the upper text input to add several participants at once. Adding users in advance disables the lobby, and users will be able to enter the session without further action from you. Only moderators can add or allow people into the session. You can make a session participant moderator by clicking the button next to their name. As your team members enter the MixStage session, you'll be able to see and hear them through MixStage built-in video conferencing. In the upper right corner, there are controls for audio and video mute, share screen, AV settings, plus full screen mode for individual users. After you and your team take your seats, it's time to start collaborating. You, as a moderator, can decide how the session is viewed for all participants. The session moderator tools available to you are shared between all participants of a session and are used to block out distractions and create a focused work environment. You can put emphasis on the video content, pushing it to take up the full size of the window. You can show only the video chat for discussions, and you can choose to have both the video player and video chat active at the same time. It's also easy to mute the entire team with our Mute All function. If a muted team member wants to speak, they can press and hold the tab key to speak and release it to return to mute mode. The shared transport is enabled by default, but can be disabled by unchecking the box in the moderator panel to the left. You can also choose to show or hide the marker panel for non-moderators of a session to gain complete control as a moderator. While in shared transport mode, it's easy for you and your team to navigate to different sections of the project together. The volume control at the bottom right corner is shared between participants. If pulled down, it will lower the project audio volume for everyone. When allowed, anyone in the session can control the transport, jump to different sections, seek frame by frame, or 5 seconds back and forth. This makes spotting a marker to the precise location easy, but more on marker handling later. While most other remote collaboration tools are subject to latency, our high-performance sync server calculates and adjusts the speed of each collaborator's stream, keeping you and your team in sync with 100% precision. This means zero latency and zero loss in quality on up to 4K video and 3 files of uncompressed wave audio. MixStage true power lies in our audio and video streaming technology. Video files are uploaded, in advance or while in session, to our secure servers. Audio can be streamed live from your DAW using our DAW streamer. By a simple setup, you can stream your audio directly from your DAW to your active session to make live changes with instant feedback. This means the MixStage DAW streamer can focus solely on the audio stream, which makes the system deliver maximum quality and minimal latency even on very low bandwidths. The two streams are synced in real time on the receiver side, so the experience for any session participant is unrivaled audio and video quality, in perfect sync and with the shortest possible delay. As a moderator, you can see all participants' buffering state to make sure everybody is synced up before playing the video. Buffering flags are shown to moderators only and means that the MixStage video player is fetching data from the server. When no buffering flags are shown, it means that all connected clients are ready to go without interruption. If you don't want to run a live session, but rather have the stakeholder watch and place markers in their own time, you can send a link for file-based review. Just invite the person to the project itself, instead of to a session, and they will be able to open the file and comment when they have the time. Markers will be seen instantly on your timeline as well. Our intuitive marker system provides a quick and simple yet detailed way to add a title and categorize your notes within the project. Choose between the marker icon, your return key, or numpad 1 through 8 to drop a detailed marker. The marker list panel on your right side keeps your markers organized for review. At any point in the session, it allows you to search by category, title, or collaborator and easily jump to specific timecodes within the project to discuss your notes and edits. Moving markers to a new location is as easy as finding the spot, right-clicking the marker, and selecting Move Marker to Playhead Position. Comments to markers can also be added later. The title of each marker can only be added in the Markers panel to easily accommodate the moderator to add extra important notes to each marker. Once your session is finished, you can export your marker list and format it to be compatible with many of today's industry standard video and audio editing softwares. For exporting only one type of marker, or markers placed by a specific person, filter the marker list before exporting. The system will then ask you whether to export only the shown markers or all. For Pro Tools, importing the exported AAF file is a simple drag and drop into the Pro Tools session window. MixStage also has a unique screen sharing functionality that allows any user to share their screen, and multiple users can share their screen at the same time. When sharing a screen, a small purple screen icon will be visible on top of that person's video bubble. Click it to open their screen in a new window. In your dashboard, you'll find some simple and unique project management tools. This straightforward layout offers easy access to your session and all of your projects. To add a project, simply drag and drop your media file in the project window. Click on a project to open the project editing window. With this window, you can name and tag your project, add video and audio files, and select which to use as the project audio. You can also set the start time and frame rate for the project and delete and download files. Moving on to the Session tab. In the upper panel, you see Your Sessions. An unlimited account has one 20-seat session, but more sessions per user is also available in our enterprise plans. Edit the session to make session-specific changes. You can brand your session using logos, which will be displayed before you load a video in a session and at the top left corner of the session. You can set a session name that will also be shown on invites and select generic or Pro Tools colored markers. If you have been invited to another person's session, you will see this session in the lower panel. Joining a session is as simple as clicking the play button on the left side. From your first spotting session to your final screening, MixStage aims to provide you with the tools you need to create your best work wherever you are. Thank you for watching this video.